Pilani is going to be joining us next week, by the way, says, interestingly, in the 2 wins versus Nigeria, the only 2 wins we had, right? The goalkeepers for both those matches, Etafia and Akpei, both playing in the PSL. Guess who's the keeper for Nigeria now?
No, nobody.
Where's he playing?
Yeah, but it means nothing. That. So,
Pilani, you're being shut down before you even come to studio.
Yeah, like it.
Talk to me.
Yeah, it's one of Bafana. People think they've been doing well. Bafana have not been doing well. That's why Bafana have not been doing well. That's why it's out of 10 matches, only 2 wins against Benin and against Namibia. So, which is a problem. Bafana, according to me, they're not expected to beat Nigeria. Nigeria, the best that they see, it's a draw. If you look how Nigeria have started so poorly in the qualifiers, they drew with Lesotho and Zimbabwe. The other game was at home against Lesotho. Sure, they were without their key players, which was Osime, Chukwueze, and Victor Boniface. But now Boniface and Chukwueze, they are there. But I'm worried about Bafana's defenses, to be honest with you, because I saw Grant Kekana is doing interview locally. He's injured. Mvala's off form. The defensive part, we're yet to see this pairing that is going to play with Bafana. I'm so worried about the defense. That's why I honestly feel that Bafana, the best that they can do there is a 1-1 draw. After that, I don't see anything besides that.